Here's a sign that I picked up at the Dollar Tree. It says welcome friends, and it's adorned with a sunflower and some raffia. And here I am taking the sunflower off, and I removed the raffia as well, and I decided to sand it down a little bit, especially the areas that are glued. Now I did have some challenges getting some glue off with the sander, so I used my scissors to kind of scrape the glue off, and I sanded a little more, the best I could do to get it smooth. And here I am with my Waverly white chalk paint, and I am going to put some chalk paint on the front of it because I liked the look of the burlap that was on the front. And I drew some, I don't know if you can see, but I drew some very faint lines on the pumpkin, and I'm using this, you could use brown paint, whatever you have, but I'm just using this home decor, I'm going to spill it, Folk Art Home Decor wax to create stripes. So I am using the wax to basically trace over the light pencil lines that I made. So I'm just outlining the pencil lines. Alright, let's see where I'm down here. What a pumpkin looks like up here with the stem. Paint this brown. Brown just around the edges to make that look a little more 3D. Since I didn't do my antiquing step yet, this isn't the exact look that I desired yet, but I'm hoping a little tweaks and I can fix it to what I want, the way I want it to look. This is what usually happens to me when I'm craft. I don't like it, I try something else. There we go, little bumps. And here I take a larger brush and dip it in the brown folk art wax to antique the pumpkin. So I might end up screwing this whole thing up. I don't know, we'll see. If I did screw it up, it's only $1. So let's go back over it with the brush, the skinny brush. So after antiquing the pumpkin, I decide to go back over it with the skinny brush dipped in the folk art wax. So after going over the lines again with the folk art wax, I finally got the look that I wanted. So I used this burlap ribbon that I also bought at the Dollar Tree because I needed to cover up that friends. It was still sort of showing through. So I adhered the ribbon with some hot glue. Screwdriver, the back of it, and nice and straight. Next, I made a stencil on my Cricut that says, "Hey there, pumpkin." And to do this, I didn't have stencil paper or cardstock. So what I did was I used the back page of a dollar store workbook that my daughter had. And I basically made the stencil on the Cricut with that. And I'm using Apple Barrel black paint. And I'm transferring pumpkin, "Hey there, pumpkin," to the burlap. All right. Now, at least I got the main outline. Let me go grab a Sharpie. And I'm gonna try to, but I'm just.
Tommy.
Wait a minute. What? Hold on.
Stepping.
Ornaments. But it's looking much better. I like it. I'm happy with the text. Let's put a little more glue. I like to see what I'm doing from the front. Oops. And oh, I like my black and white nail here. As well. Let's see if this will hold. I just want to get the best angle from the front. And I might take some of this burlap ribbon to secure it as well. That behind it to secure it. Especially with my kids. And here is the final craft. I do love this pumpkin. I think it's great farmhouse decor, and I love this rustic look. This was about $3 to make, $1 for the pumpkin, $1 for the cotton stem, and $1 for the burlap ribbon. I happen to have the garden twine myself. I hope you enjoyed this craft, and I hope you'll subscribe, like, share, and comment. Thank you, and have a great day.